I'm Satoshi. I work here at SERIALNINE. Today we're going to be digging into my 2001 Toyota Crown Athlete 5. We'll be checking out what's done to it and my future plans as well. So if you've been following SERIALNINE for a while, you'll see we've been bringing a lot of Toyota Crowns in to work on. It's a bit of an oddball chassis, but it definitely has become a lot popular with us and is growing within the community. Originally most people overlook them because they do come automatic, and I think a lot of people just completely disregard chassis that only come in automatic. But for me, I was looking to get into a 1JZ chassis. With JZX prices being, they're skyrocketing through the roof these days. I was just kind of looking for the next best option that would be affordable. And that kind of just led me to the next chassis, which is the Toyota Crown, which has great potential and has a lot of similar parts to the Altezza as well as JZX110. So I got this car probably about 9 months ago. I imported it from Japan. It's been most of its time in the garage. Just did a full kind of maintenance on it, did all the seals on the motor, valve stem seals, timing, the valve cover gaskets, all that kind of jazz. After that, I kind of dug into actually manual swapping it. Because like I said before, I kind of don't really enjoy the automatic. So with that, the first thing was to do the manual swap. So luckily working here at SERIALNINE, we have lots of parts that will work for this car. Has a lot of suspension that is very similar to, or it is the same as the JZX110, ICE300, Altezza. So I was able to use that. But yeah, I used the CD009 adapter kit with the CD Pro and the CD999 shifter. So that was the first thing that I got done on it. I also got a one-piece drive shaft made for it. After that, I also had a 3.9 Torsen LSD that I put into it. Moving into suspension, I got a Stance XR1 coilovers. Revalved the fronts to 24K and the rears 14K. And then I also put on our SERIALNINE extended front lower control arms to give it a bit more angle as well as track width. Yeah, that's pretty much all I've got done so far. It's still kind of a work in progress. The manual swaps, I would say, is 95% complete. So there still is a bit more for that to be done. And yeah, there'll be more. So for the future, I already am looking into running our SERIALNINE AK49s. So I just need to get some extended inner tie rods, and then I'll be able to do that. As well, I would love to do the full SERIALNINE control arm kits. That would be our front uppers, the new billet ones, the rear upper billets, and rear lowers as well. But that's a little bit more in the future. Right now, I'm just kind of still sorting out the small issues that I have from the manual swap. But after that, I'll probably be moving into a bit more aero and interior, those smaller bits to make the car a little bit more personal to myself. So I would love to radius the fenders or get some kind of body kit on there. I'm looking at getting some 18-inch wheels as well. As of right now, I'm just running 17-inch. They're Ankai RS Evolutions. They're two-piece wheels. So they're pretty rad, but definitely for a bigger chassis like these, I definitely want to run 18s to kind of suit the body a bit more. Other than that, I'll probably just, get some bucket seats and just have fun with it. That's kind of the purpose of this car, is just to have fun.